park. And we're almost there. We just have to walk straight and then turn to the right. It will be fun because we have our aeroplanes. We pack some aeroplanes. They're like birds. And maybe when we throw them in the air, maybe they'll flap their wings. Something. Can't wait. So let's see how they'll go.
You said don't push me. Ow.
It's not working. Try the white one. Whoa, guys!
It's working. Hey, throw it from here. Can you throw it from here? Yeah.
Mama!
Yeah, now. Dude, it turned so cool. It turned like 360. Whoa. Dude, that was far. That was pretty far. Hey, can you... Yeah, okay. It... 1, 2... Oh. Wait.
When you say now?
No, you say 3, 2, 1 and then throw it. Oh man. Can you throw up? Directly up.
Wait a second.
Oh, Hero? That was so fun. कहीं वहाँ पे चले जाएगी तो wow. Yeah, whenever you're ready.
Yes, Uma.
Whoa.
That's me! We had fun a lot at the park. Look at my face, I'm red. So we're heading back home. We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.